Alright, here's the problem. We've got two Czechoslovakian shepherds. Full size. They're a wee bit tired out. What I'm going to do here is try to grab this frisbee. Alright. First thing I'm going to do is just see the age of these blokes. Oh my god, that one's like pretty old. This one's just, staring me down. See the sheath on this one. Oh my god, okay. Alright. Okay. What I'm going to do is go in between and take them for a drag. Alright. I've got the frisbee. Are you ready? Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Come on. You can't keep up with me. You can't keep up with me. Okay. You can keep up. You can keep up. Oh, no. All right. What we've got, for the love of... Okay. All right. Although those tails are wagging, it's a sure sign. You ready? Let me just see. Let me pick your nose here. Let me just see. Okay. And I'm going to put it in your mouth. Okay, good. You ate his boogers. You ate his... Let me do it again. Hold on. Pick his nose and put it in your mouth. There you go. All right. These are... Let me just see something. Let me just see these teeth. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. Alright. You ready? One more time. One more time. I'm going to take you 20 yards. Oh, you sons of bitches. Come on. You can't keep moving. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Now you've got me. Okay. I'm not letting go. Alright, one more time. I'm gonna shake. Okay, I'm gonna... Okay. I'm gonna get this frisbee if it's the last thing I... One more time. Okay. Get down. Pretend you're one of them. Get down at their level. Okay. Oh, that doesn't sound good. Oh my goodness. Okay. Sons of bitches, do this. Oh. Okay. Don't show fear. Whatever you do, don't show fear. Okay. I'm okay. It's okay. It's okay. Don't show fear. Oh my god. Okay. We're gonna walk away. Oh, okay. We're walking away. Oh my god. That was my work shoe that is now a boot. Don't you mock me. Don't you. Let me just see something here. Oh my goodness. This is... Okay. Have a great day. Pick your nose. Eat it. Okay, thank you.